TE Connectivity's sliding power connector enables seamless hot swapping of server drawer components and is capable of carrying up to 75 amps. It's designed to replace traditional cabled connectors in cable management systems, which are prone to disconnection or failure if pinched as components are moved in and out of the drawer. Cables also add bulk, which obstructs airflow and reduces cooling efficiency and effectiveness, and cables may not allow hot swapping, resulting in increased downtime during maintenance. TE's sliding power connector has a simple design that provides many advantages over cables. It's constructed from spring finger copper alloy contacts with gold over nickel plating in a black thermoplastic housing, with compliant pin termination to the PCB. The connector mates to a baseboard rail that slides into and through the housing, with exposed traces on the baseboard contacting the spring fingers of the sliding power connector to power the application, with ideal applications including hard drives, power supplies, OCP cubbies, servers, and other high current devices. This mating mechanism allows hot swapping of components, significantly reducing system downtime. It also improves energy efficiency by reducing the voltage drop between the power source and the application, and it improves cooling efficiency by eliminating the bulk and obstruction caused by cables and cable management systems. There are also no loose moving parts, which increases reliability. And to learn more about TE Connectivity's sliding power connector, visit Mouser.com.